Hey guys, welcome to StudyNet. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the United Nations Security Council or UNSC. I've already made a video over the United Nations where I've explained United Nations briefly, but in that video I forgot to cover the six main organs of the United Nations. So in today's lecture, we will also know about the six main organs of the United Nations. But before the begin, if you haven't subscribed StudyNet yet, then subscribe it first and share this video with your friends. So without wasting time, let's begin. So there are six main organs of the United Nations or six principles organs of the United Nations. Both are same thing, you can say. So United Nations Charter established six main organs of the United Nations. So what is United Nations Charter? I've also explained UN Charter in my United Nations video. If you don't know about the UN Charter, so you can watch that video. So there are six principles or main organs of the United Nations which are following as United Nations General Assembly or UNGA and United Nations Security Council or UNSC and United Nations Economic and Social Council ECOSOC or you can say UNESC and United Nations Secretariat, and fifth is International Court of Justice ICJ, and sixth is Trusteeship Council. So these all are the six organs of the United Nations, or you can say six principal organs of the United Nations. So in today's lecture we will read only about the United Nations Security Council. In separate lecture I will cover in separate lectures I will cover the rest of the UN organs. Okay, now let's talk about the United Nations Security Council. So United Nations Security Council founded in 24 October 1945 and its headquarters is in New York, USA. And Article 23 of the UN Charter concern the composition of the UNSC, which means what is mean of that? So UN Charter Article 23 of the UN Charter told about the composition of the United Nations Security Councils in a UN. Okay, so UNSC has a primary responsibility for the maintenance of international peace and security. So primary responsibility or objectives both are the same thing. So these primary responsibility are maintaining the international peace and security around the world. And the council has a 15 members, so which are divided in a 5 permanent members and there are also 10 members non-permanent members. So what are the 5 permanent members? So there are 5 permanent members are the United States, United Kingdom and France, Russian Federation and China. So these five nations are the 5 permanent members of the United Nations. Remember this point. And the rest 10 members are elected by UNGA, United Nations General Assembly, for 2-year terms. Okay, so recently India became the non-permanent member of the United Nations. So UNSC has the power to make binding its decision on a member states. So this is the unique thing in the UNSC because other organs of the United Nations, they can only recommend of their members, but UNSC has the power to make binding its decision on member states. And all members have one vote and permanent members have the veto power. What is the mean of veto? So veto mean is to reject some decisions. Okay, so presidency of UNSC rotates alphabetically each month. So presidency of UNSC rotates alphabetically each month, which means that the president of the UNSC is changed in every each month, and the selection of the president of the UNSC is based on the alphabetically order. Okay, and a decision on the procedural matters should have vote of at least 9 out of 15 members. 9 out of 15 members. Okay. If in a suppose if someone if nations want to pass the resolution of the procedural matters, so there are only need of 9 out of 15 members acceptance. Okay. And but in the case of substantive matter, there are require of 9 votes and the absence of negative vote by any of the 5 permanent members, which means that if resolution want to be passed on the in the UNSC on a substantive matter, so the requirement is the 9 votes and the absence of the negative vote by any of the 5 permanent members. If someone countries, if China, suppose if China uh, claim the veto power, so this substantive matters resolution on the substantive matter will be reject. Okay. So we cover all points, all important points about the UNSC. So if you like this initiative, so hit the like button. Thank you.